Okay, so you want to know how to delete background in Capcut? Well, I have the solution for you. This is an AI new implementation on this program. So to begin with, we have to go to a video. I have this video of this person with his wife. Now you have to click on this video and go to basic here in video. Don't choose speed animation, choose video and go to remove BG. So here you have to press auto removal and you have to select one of these. I will select the wait for it, it's processing here. It can make a stroke, but if you don't want a stroke, it doesn't matter. But it's very cool for some videos. As you can see, it automatically removed the background. As you can see, it's not perfect, but depending on the light of the video, it can be better. So I'm going to choose other videos, like I don't know, this one. Valentine beauty girl with colorful heart shaped, I don't know, remove, auto removal, and let's see the result of this. It's processing very fast, so you don't have to wait a lot. As you can see, it's working very well. Not perfect, but it works to make some videos. It really doesn't matter. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment, and press the bell in the button of subscribe, and see you next time. Easy way.